Let us discuss orientation in electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. It is the positioning of incoming second group or electrophile under the influence of already present group on benzene ring. If one group is present on the benzene ring, then where the second group will be attached, whether it is attached to ortho, meta or para, this is called orientation. Now see, if there is a one group on benzene ring X and second group is to be attached, that is Y, then we think 3 isomer will be formed. 3 isomer of di-substituted benzene derivative should be formed, ortho, meta, para. Each position has 20% chance, so ortho product will be 40%, meta product will be 40%, and para product will be 20%. This is probability or on the basis of chances. But look at the experimental observation number 1. When nitrobenzene is reacted with chlorine or chlorination of nitrobenzene takes place, then nitro group send chlorine to meta, not ortho and para. In second observation, when nitration of chlorobenzene takes place, chloro group send the nitro group at ortho and para, not meta. So nitro group is meta directing, chloro group is ortho para directing group. It means there are two types of substitution on the basis of directive influence. Ortho para directing group, number 1. Number 2, meta directing group. Ortho para directing group releases electron to benzene ring at ortho and para position. They make ortho and para position electron rich. So incoming second electrophile will attach to ortho and para, not meta. Consider nitration of toluene at different temperature. Methyl is ortho para directing group. It will release electron density to benzene ring at ortho and para position due to hyperconjugation. It will send nitro group at ortho and para, not at meta position. It will activate the benzene ring towards electrophile. This is list of substituent ortho para directing groups. Remember, they have lone pair on the atom attached to benzene ring except methyl group. Now meta directing group, they withdraws electron from benzene ring. They make ortho and para position electron deficient. Incoming electrophile will not attach to ortho and para position because they are electron deficient. Incoming electrophile will attach to meta position. Remember list of meta directing group, the atom attached to benzene ring will not have a lone pair to donate to benzene ring. Why chloro group is ortho para directing group? There are 3 lone pair on chlorine atom. It will release electron density to benzene ring, create double bond between carbon 1. The bond between pi bond between carbon 1 and ortho breaks in the favor of ortho position. Ortho carbon get negative charge, then para carbon get negative charge, then ortho get negative charge. So negative charge is delocalized on ortho and para position, not meta position, as benzene ring is alternating system. So ortho para position are electron rich. Incoming single electrophile will attach to ortho and para position. Now look at the nitro group, which is meta directing group. It will withdraws electron from benzene ring. It will create double bond with carbon 1. Withdraws electron from benzene ring. Nitrogen has no lone pair to donate to benzene ring. Ortho position get positive charge. The ortho carbon has positive charge, then para carbon, then ortho. So nitro group makes ortho and para carbon electron deficient. Incoming second electrophile which needs electron will not attach to ortho and para position but it will attach to meta position. It will attach to meta position. Now see the question of exercise. It is the application of orientation. We will perform bromination of toluene. Methyl is ortho-para adapting group. Send bromo at ortho and para to isomers are formed. How will we make other example? If OH is replaced with bromo, we get bromobenzene, and at bromination of bromobenzene, if methyl is replaced with OH, we get equation for the bromination of phenol. So methyl, bromo, OH are ortho-para adapting group. Now nitrobenzene, bromination of nitrobenzene. Nitro group send bromine to meta position. How can we make other example? If nitro group is replaced with COOH, we get example of benzoic acid, bromination of benzoic acid. If we replace nitro group with formyl group CHO, benzaldehyde, we get equation for the bromination of benzaldehyde. Another application, these are the question of exercise. Another application of orientation, we will have to prepare following compound from benzene in two steps. Metachlorobenzene. First equation for nitration of benzene, then nitrobenzene we get, and we write equation for chlorination of nitrobenzene. Similarly for B part, first we write equation for chlorination of benzene, then we write equation for nitration of benzene. Chloro send nitro group at ortho and para position. Now see how different group activates or deactivate benzene rings towards aromatic electrophilic substitution. Remember mnemonics: ahem benzene, iodo to fluoro 4 cos CNN. If NH2 group is on benzene ring, aniline is formed. Aniline is more active than phenol. Phenol is more active than methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene more active than toluene. Toluene is more active than benzene itself. Similarly, if there is I group on benzene ring, iodobenzene, which is less reactive than benzene. If CHO group is on benzene ring, benzaldehyde, which is also less reactive as compared to benzene. Similarly, benzoic acid is also less reactive. Least reactive is nitrobenzene. Nitro group deactivates the benzene ring. That is why nitration of nitrobenzene takes place at 95 degrees Celsius and that of benzene takes place 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. This is the end of orientation electrophilic substitution of benzene.